Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 FE is spotted on the benchmark. There's most exciting thing going to happen with the latest tab from Samsung. The new Samsung tablet is expected to launch in the first quarter of the coming year. It was first spotted by the popular tipster Donald Quant. According to him, the tab is said to come with a MediaTek 6nm chipset which has a max clock speed of 2.6 GHz. The display is rumored to be larger than the previous model and features a 120 Hz screen refresh rate that looks smoother than that. This tablet may come with a 5 megapixel front camera and 8 megapixel rear view camera. The Galaxy S8 FE is also expected to come with a support for stylus pen. It is said to feature an LCD panel rather than the AMOLED display. While there is no news on pricing of the device, it is expected to be priced on the similar lines as the Galaxy S7 FE. To recall, the Galaxy S7 FE was launched at Rs 37,999 and shipped in 3 variants: Wi-Fi only, Wi-Fi plus 4G and LTE variants. Apart from that, other news is coming out. Samsung India on Wednesday introduced the voice focus feature on One UI 5.0 for Galaxy devices in its Android update. The company has started rolling out the new update for Galaxy A33 5G, A53 5G and Galaxy A73 5G smartphones. The voice focus features enables the listener to experience the call without any background noise, even if the caller is in noisy location, according to official reports. Now coming to Black Friday deals. We have mentioned 20+ best Black Friday sale matched to your needs. If you are waiting for the digital products like Fitbit, smartwatches, smartphones, laptops or earbuds then this is the right time to go with this. The link is mentioned in the description. Go and check out. So that's all for today's video. What's your thought on the upcoming tablet and One UI 5.0 voice focus feature? Comment below and hit the subscribe button for more techie news.